Good morning, students. Yesterday we have practiced the objective type question of chapter 1 of class 9. From from now we continue. Now, next question is, if x is a positive real number and here it is given x is equal to 2, then x cube is equal to what? And option is root 2, second option is 2 root 2, third option is 3 root 2, and fourth option is 4. So how we will do? Here it is given x square is equal to, so here it is in square, so here comes into square root. Then we find x is equal to root under 2. Now you have to find x cube, so here again we give cube, then here we also give cube. Now root 2 power cube, we know that root 2 power cube is equal to root 2 into root 2 into root 2. Then root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2, and here it is root 2 left, so here we write 2 root 2. So your option is 2 root 2. Option number B is correct. Now come to next question. When simplified, x power minus 1 plus y power minus 1 per power minus 1 is equal to what? So we know that if a power minus n, then we write 1 by a power m. So here we apply the formula. Here it is given x power minus 1 plus y power minus 1 per power minus 1 is equal to what? So here we write x power minus 1 is h 1 by x and y power minus 1 equal to 1 by y. So we take LCM x into y, and then we divide by x y, then comes y, and here it is comes x. So y by x power y by x y power minus 1. Here it is minus 1, so we take it as positive. We replace denominator as numerator and numerator as denominator. So here we write xy by y plus x. So option number C is correct. Now our next question is 4 power x minus 4 power x minus 1 is equal to 24. Then you have to find 2x power x equals to what? Option is 5 root 5. Second option is root 5, third option is 25 root 5, and fourth option is 125. Then here 4 power x minus 4 power x minus 1 equal to 24. Here we see it is also 4 power x, and here it is also 4 power x. So we take it as common 4 power x. Then here rest is 1, and here 4 power minus 1. So it becomes 1 minus 4 power minus 1. Now we know that 4 power minus 1 is written as 1 by 4. Now we take as LCM. LCM is 4. Now again we do fraction. 4 minus 1 by 4. Then it comes 3 by 4. Now here it is in multiply, so here comes into divide. 4 is in divide, so here comes into multiply, and 3 is in multiply, so here comes into divide. The when we cut 24 by 3, then it comes 8, then 8 into 4 is equal to 34, and here it is 4 power x is equal to 32. Now we write as 4 as 2 power 2, then 2 power x equal to, and 32 is written as 2 power 5. Now we use formula a power m power n is equal to a power mn. So 2 into x is equal to 2x. Now base is same, then power is also same. Then 2x is equal to 5, then x is equal to 5 by 2. Now you have to find 2x power x. So here we write 2 into x, and x we find 5 by 2. So here we write 5 by 2. Then 2 cancel out, then 5 power 5 by 2. Now it is 5 into 5 power 2. Here it is root. So here we give root under 5 power 5. Now 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 up to 5 times. So 5 into 5 comes out. 5 into 5 comes out as a 1, and root 5 rest. So 5 into 5 is 25, root under 5. So option number C is correct. Now come to next question. 2 by 3 power x into 3 by 2 power 2x is equal to 18. 1 by 16. Then you have to find the value of x, and you have to given 4 option. A is 2, B is 3, C as 4, and D as 1. So here we see 2 by 3 power x, 3 by 2 power 2x. So it is in the form of 2 by 3. So we also make 3 by 2 as 2 by 3. So it is in plus. So here comes negative power. 2 by 3 power minus 2x. Now a power m into b power m, we use the formula of a power m plus. When base is same and in multiply, then power will be add. So here x minus 2x, then x minus 2x comes to minus x. And 81 by 16, we write it as 3 by 2 power 4, because 3 power 4 is equal to 18 and 16 is equal to, we write as 2 power 4. So here we write 3 by 2 power 4. Now it is in the form of 2 by 3, so also we make 3 by 2 as 2 by 3, then power will plus will be changes as minus. Now base is same, then power will also same, then minus x is equal to minus 4, then minus minus cancel out, then x is equal to 4. So our option C is correct. Now come to second question. When simplified by 1 minus 1 by 27 power minus 2 by 3 is what? Option is given 9, minus 9, 1 by 9, and D is equal to minus 1 by 9. Then again here we see minus 1 by 27 power minus 2 by 3. So minus 1 by 27 as written as 1 by 3 power 3. We apply the formula a power m into n. Then we use formula a power m power n is equal to a power m into n. So minus 1 by 3 into 3 into 2 power minus 2 by 3. Then 3 cancel out, minus 1 by 3 power minus 2. Then minus 1 by 3 power minus 2. Now when we write 1 by 3, we write as minus 3 power minus 1 into minus 2. Then again a power m power minus n is equal to a power mn. So minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to 2 minus 3 power 2. Minus 3 power 2 is equal to minus 3 into minus 3. Then it comes 9. So our option A is correct. Now our next question is, which of the following is irrational number? So option here it is 0.14 power recurring, 0.1416 power recurring, and 0.1416, then 1416 power recurring, and option number D is 0.10410410441044, so on so on. Now we know that 0.14 we write as p is in the form of p by q. It is in the simplest form, so it is a rational number. This one is also rational number, this one is also rational number, but here we see that this decimal is neither terminating nor repeating, so it is an irrational number. So our option D is correct. Now second question, the product of two irrational number is, option is always irrational, always rational, always an integer, sometimes rational and sometimes irrational. Then we see it by formula. Some example, we take root 2. Root 2 is also a irrational number. Root 3 is also an irrational number. When we multiplied root 2 into root 3, then it comes root under 6. Now we see root under 6 is an irrational number. But again we take second example, root 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number. Again root 2 minus root 3 is an irrational number, but when we multiply both 2, then it is in the formula of a plus b into a minus b, then formula a square minus b square. Here we write formula. Now it is in a plus root 2 and b plus root 3. So root 2 square is equal to 2, root 3 square is equal to 3, then 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Now we know that minus 1 is written as p by q, so it is a rational number. Then we see that by multiplying two irrational number, here comes irrational number. By multiplying two irrational number, here comes rational number. So the product of two irrational numbers sometimes rational and sometimes irrational. So our option D is correct.